Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to block someone on TikTok. So let's get started. Open your TikTok application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. When you are on the home screen, you need to find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in their follower list or in the comments. Since we already know who we want to block, we will search for the person in our followers by clicking on the profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Our profile picture will open, where we will go to the follower option and click on it. Go to the person in the drop-down menu and click on them. When our profile opens, we can notice the arrow pointing to the right in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. And now, we have to go down to the block option in the small menu and click on it. The application will explain what happens when you block this person. If you want to block them, click on Block. And that is that. The user is now blocked and will no longer be able to interact with you or see your content on TikTok. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can easily block someone on TikTok and take control of your online experience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tutorials.